Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make some easy beautiful diya holders by using old CDs and laces. Here I'm using silver gota. You can use either this or any other lace, fabric or ribbon. Now I will wrap this gota all around the CD, passing through its hole. I have taken 2 CDs here. This is how I am wrapping lace around it without leaving any gap or without twisting it. After completely covering the CD with the lace, secure the end with glue and let it dry. After drying, I am making simple design on these CDs with some kundan and gota flowers. If you want to make some different design, you can use artificial roses, etc. This material was readily available with me, so I am using all this material over here. Now after making this design, allow it to dry. Now this diya holder is ready and you can use it in decorating rangoli or any other decoration. How I am using these, I will show it in next video. That's it for now. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for such beautiful, easy and useful DIY. Thanks for watching and wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Until next video, take care and bye bye.